Here's a stupid mistake that I was making during my pre-conceiving journey that really caused me so much stress, anxiety, and breakdown. I bought 3 packets of ovulation kit in the hopes of understanding exactly when I was ovulating, only to realize that ovulation window is only 24 hours and there are high chances of me to never find out when exactly I was ovulating. As someone who has a 35 plus day period routine and cycle, imagine testing your ovulation every single day, because most of us with PCOS don't tend to ovulate on our 14th day. I spent 3 cycles trying to understand when I was ovulating and trying to try only during that period of time. This only meant that I never figured out when I was ovulating, I wasn't trying in my fertile window, and I never got pregnant on those 3 cycles. So instead, I started to understand what are the natural signs in which I could understand when I was ovulating. For me, it was cervical mucus. Cervical mucus is super important for your fertility, and it's going to help you identify when you ovulate. This means that it's going to be egg white and stretchy right around the time of ovulation, helping you understand when your fertile window is. Now let's break down how you can understand your cervical mucus and identify when exactly you're ovulating. Number 1, that's your phase 1. Right after your period, it's dry and sticky, which means sperm can't move in it. This is between day 1 to day 6. Phase 2, day 7 to day 10. This is when the cervical mucus looks more like a lotion. Fertility is increasing, but still sperm can't move in this. Phase 3, wet and clear. This is between day 11 to day 13. Sperm can move a bit, but this is not still the peak fertility. Phase 4, this is egg white discharge. This could be day 15 for somebody, day 14 for somebody, and for people like me, I had my ovulation on day 20. This is the perfect texture for the sperm to move up and mate the egg. So if you really want to try in your fertile window, it's best to try as soon as you see the cervical mucus being egg white and stretchy and sticky. One of the common mistakes most women do is wear panty liners, which means that they don't know what kind of cervical mucus is being secreted at which phase. So it's very important to stop wearing panty liners to understand what kind of cervical mucus you are having through the month. I have curated a detailed cervical mucus guide that will help you understand when your fertile window is. And if you want to get your hands on it, comment guide here and I will send it to you.